Some vehicles do not require oil changes for 7,500 miles. Other ones are 3,000 miles. The difference is the quality of oils and the different grades of oils that the manufacturer recommends using in their product. This is a small arrangement of oil right here, starting with the purely synthetic oil. Using a synthetic oil, you will extend the frequency of changing the oil, possibly even double, from 3,000 to 6,000 to possibly 7,000 miles. Although I would highly recommend you look at the owner's manual and see what the manufacturer recommends. The other types of oil here are mineral oil. We've got your 5W20, we have the 5W30, and the 10W30, which is the most common oils on the market today, irregardless of manufacturer or brand. But to make a long story short, always refer to the maintenance manual of your vehicle, which will explain the frequency of the oil change every time.